Arm drop method. Instructions to hypnotist. The subject is asked to raise an arm so that the hand is slightly above the head and given suggestions. There are a number of aspects of this induction which are worthy of special notice. First, the arm is placed in such a position that fatigue will eventually bring it down. The downward movement is tied into going down into a deep state of relaxation. The harder the individual keeps fighting to hold it up, the more he is committed to the proposition implied by the statement that you will not go into a deep state of relaxation until the arm is all the way down. This means, of course, that you will go into such a state when the arm comes all the way down. Spoken to subject. Have subject raise arm so that hand is slightly above head. Stare at one of the fingers, either the index or the middle finger. You may continue to look at it, or, if you wish, close your eyes and visualize it in your mind's eye. As you fixate your gaze on it, you will notice that the other fingers tend to fade out of focus and that your entire arm begins to feel heavier and heavier. The longer you concentrate on that finger, the heavier and heavier your arm becomes. But you will not go into a deep state of relaxation until the arm has come all the way down. Keep concentrating on that finger while the arm gets heavier and heavier and heavier. When downward movement become apparent, notice that as the arm is getting heavier, is slowly coming down, down, down. But you will not relax into a deep and profound state of relaxation until the arm is all the way down. Going down, 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 deeper, deeper, deeper. Continue deepening comments. The suggestions must be timed with the actual movement of the arm.